let's have some fun with this animated video regarding recombination of white light. Now for this experiment, Newton took two exactly similar prisms, that is, the prisms were of the same material and had the same refracting angle. He passed white light through a slit and allowed it to fall on the prism A. He obtained a spectrum on the white screen. Now he interposed prism B in an inverted position. He found that a patch of white light is formed on the screen. Now why did it happen? The reason for the above phenomena is that the second prism B turned the dispersed colors towards its base through different angles such that before emerging from it they were incident at the same point. Thus they rejoined to form white light. In fact, prisms A and B collectively act like a glass slab with parallel sides. The prism A disperses white light and is called the dispersing prism, whereas prism B recombines dispersed light and is called the recombination prism, right?
Now, subscribe to Bright Tutee course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Tutee app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Tutee courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Tutee follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutee and avail your courses at affordable prices.